Hi, we get called often. People are wondering, is their insurance going to cover it or not cover it? They just had a water damage or a fire, smoke loss, and unfortunately what they say and don't say can make a world of difference. One of the things I'd like to cover today would be leaving your home unattended. That's for sure a very big problem for you. If you leave town approximately 11 days or more and you don't have someone house sitting, and you're on the phone with the insurance company who's trained to ask certain questions like, was anybody home when the water damage happened? And you say, no, I was on vacation. Well, when you leave your home for 11 days or more, automatically you're going to be disqualified and not have any insurance coverage. So a way around that would be to have someone doing house sitting for you. Every couple, 3 days coming in to check your mail, for example, would qualify. Just making a statement that, yes, my house is being attended or watched, and therefore the water won't just be running for days and days, and your neighbor calls you with water coming out the front door of your house while you're in Europe somewhere. That's not a good situation for you. But if someone is watching the house, or at least periodically coming by to check the dogs or check the mail, now your home is not unattended, and therefore you will have insurance. Keep in mind, insurance coverage is for what happens suddenly or accidentally. Wear and tear and maintenance is not a covered item. So a pipe bursting would be something sudden, whereas pipe leaking, crack pipe, etc. is something that's more of a maintenance, wear and tear, long-term damage, not covered. We'll cover other issues that are covered and not, such as mold, in another. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Look forward to talking to you again.